Wait, you ate.
Nice.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
I don't know why I keep doing that.
You know, you did it like 3 times, and I wanted to do a Luna dip. I was like, I don't know you like that. Like, let me like.
I just really want to cough in your guys' ears.
Please sit down this favor.
He has the shorty. What?
He was pushing up on you
Ew.
from the wall.
No, I thought you.
Oh my god.
No, he's fuck. I can't. He has a bucket. I'm tired of these buckies. I'm tired of these shotguns. Like every game. Nice try, guys.